This is a Cuisinart single burner, what you would call a hot plate. It's got a cast iron top, it's got a on and ready button, and it's got a spinning control. Has this really nice brushed stainless steel top to it, and it's got really excellent construction. Okay, here you can see it close up. It's very, very attractive. It's a good looking product that's small and easy to transport. If you take it to a function somewhere, you'll be proud to put it on a table and use it. Today I'm going to use it to cook up some ground turkey breasts. Turkey breasts can have a little bit of a dry, flat flavor if you don't give it just a little bit of fat and add a little something to it. So I am going to be using this ghee butter with garlic. Time to add the turkey. Time to shut it off and make some homemade street tacos. Still sizzling, we're going to take a little bit of our turkey, put it on the flour tortilla, add some nice taco sauce. That is delicious. Excuse me for being greedy. Oh, it's good. It's good. Of course, you can add lettuce, cilantro, cheese, whatever you want. I do this every couple of weeks. I will cook up a pound of this stuff and just keep it around for tacos or just to add some meat to my eggs or whatever. My old hot plate was dying and this one seemed to be the perfect solution for me. So I'm really glad that I got this Cuisinart hot plate. I'm happy that I was able to use it to make a video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.